what Papa's doing on the backhoe today. Ooh, it's a little slippery. He's gonna put his landing gear down. There they go. There goes the landing gear. Lifts up the back tires. Really hot. Now Papa's gonna scoop all that ice out of the grip. The big chunks out so it doesn't cause a log jam. There they go.
Get right through the gates below the road level in here, so we got them fed right there. No, I think like you said, there's nothing we can do about it. We just got to let it run its course. At least we're irrigating.
Excitement at the ranch. Got a little fire. Don't know for sure what caused it. Sure we'll figure it out. Just one of these days. Second day it's sunny and whoa, gotta love the desert. Boy, how things change in just 3.5, 4 months, huh? freezing our butts off to the world's burning down. Fire's fine though. It was a burn barrel that just got out of control, burned up some brush and didn't do anything super bad. So that was cool. Just burned up brush, but that was April. I mean, that was just about a week ago. So that was fun. And the ice, I mean, we're either freezing our butts off or we're cooking here. Kind of like everything else though. Look at how quickly it changed. We don't see it. We don't see it day to day. I don't see the wrinkles growing day to day. Well, I do right now. They're pretty wicked. Look at that. Boy, and the gray hair. Whoo. You don't see it day to day, but you do see it month to month. So maybe that's our little lesson for this, is that we don't have to be stuck and waller in our misery at that moment, because just down the road a little bit, it's going to change and it's going to be different for us. May not always be better, but definitely exciting, definitely different. Aging kind of is crazy. Nobody really talks about it. You know, we all sort of see it, but only if we don't see somebody for a long time and then see them again, you're like, age is getting them. Or, wow, they look really good for their age. I did get asked the other day if my grandkid was my kid, which was pretty cool. And I'm like, no, this gray hair up here is coming in thicker every day. So yeah, there's that. So just recognize that the crap you're going through right now, give it 5 minutes. It'll change. If it's not 5 minutes, give it 5 hours, give it 5 days, give it 5 months. It'll change, I promise. And we can decide whether it's going to be good or bad. Both of those videos were one of those where you take it and you're like, man, this is not the most fun we've ever had. But you know what? It doesn't matter, because today's a different day. And you know what it's doing outside today? Pouring rain all night long. Probably gonna have some little bit of flooding. I'm gonna assume a little bit of flooding. Anyway, that's my 2 cents for the day. Eastern Oregon and not Eastern Oregon. You guys have a lovely afternoon.